Hey guys, Jeff Nunley from Peak Mortgage. This one goes out to a couple of different groups. If you are self-employed or you're a private contractor, you're still self-employed, um, or you are a tax preparer or CPA who's about to do a whole bunch of taxes for people that are self-employed, you really need to hear this because especially you CPAs, you're the bane of our existence, right? Your job is to do one thing, and that is to get the taxable income from your clients down within the limits of the law as accurately as possible so they pay as little as taxes that they can. The problem is when you do that, of course, and if you're self-employed, you know this too, you write everything off, your income drops, and then it becomes almost impossible to come to somebody like me and actually get your home loan. So what happens when you want to upgrade? What happens if you currently live in something like this and you want to move to something like this, but you don't have the taxable income? Well, there's some new products available, and we're right at the forefront of some of the most aggressive underwriting, some of the most aggressive pricing on the market for these types of loans. These alternative types of loans allow us to take your business or personal bank statements if you're self-employed and develop an income off of your cash deposits. Now, we're going to give you 100% of your deposits, but depending on the industry, you can get pretty close. If deposits don't work, then we actually can move down the line. If you get a 1099 from the person that you work for example, if you're a real estate agent and you get your 1099 at the end of the year, we know that you may get a really nice number, especially this year. If you've done well in real estate, like a lot of people have, there may be $200,000-300,000 in gross revenue on your 1099, and you want your taxes to look like you made not $250,000, but $25,000. And that's what your CPA does, right? Well, we can actually use your 1099. Again, we're not going to give you all of it, but it's a great way to maximize your buying power, to actually get something that you really want to buy. Finally, if that doesn't work, we can actually use a profit and loss. It has to be prepared by your tax preparer, but we can use your profit and loss and get the income from that. So you do not have to use your taxes to qualify for a home loan anymore. And this is important because it's not true with most lenders, but it's true with us. So if you have questions about buying that home in 2020 and you are currently living in this and you want to go to this, then give me a call and let us go to work for you and see what sort of income we can get and what sort of house you're going to qualify for. If you'd like more information on these programs or any other program, feel free just to message me. The information, I believe, is going to be right down below. Thanks.